When you're new to lasers, most frustration doesn't come from lack of skill. It comes from starting with the wrong materials. Bad materials waste money, they waste time, and honestly, they kill motivation. Good materials do the opposite. They help you learn faster and they make the whole process a lot more fun. So today, I'm sharing the 10 best beginner friendly laser materials. This isn't a sponsored video. No one paid me for this. This is based on what I've tested and what I've used long term and what I've seen work over and over again for beginners. All right, let's get into it. Up at number 10 is Cardstock. This is the cheapest way to learn layout, detail, and alignment. It's perfect for practice, perfect for test cuts, perfect for messing up without stressing. Just don't expect this to be a finished product material. It's for learning, not selling. Number 9 is thin chipboard. It's tougher than paper, but still cheap enough to experiment with. Great for prototypes, great for templates, not great for high detail or final products. Think of this as your draft mode material. Number 8 is plain old cardboard. This is your planning material. It's perfect for testing sizes and layouts, perfect for seeing if something even makes sense before you cut wood. But it's not meant to be a finished product. This is your sketch pad, and you can probably find this laying around in your home already. Number 7. Number 7 is solid basswood slices, like the kind you find at hobby stores. This is one of the best woods for learning. It's predictable, it's forgiving, and it doesn't fight you. It's great for small decor and signs, just not for outdoor or heavy duty projects. Number 6 is laser grade basswood plywood. This is where you start making stronger, more durable projects without losing beginner friendly behavior. When I first started, I bought a pack of 54 sheets for under $60 on Amazon, and I used every single one. Quick breakdown. Solid basswood is one piece of wood. Plywood has layers glued together. Solid wood is easier to learn on. Plywood is better when you need strength. You'll probably end up using both. Number 5 is laser grade birch plywood. This is one of the most common woods for finished products. It's strong, it looks professional, and it's what a lot of makers use before moving into pricier woods like alder, maple, or walnut. If you want to start selling eventually, you'll probably land here for a while. You can grab starter packs online to test it out. Number 4 is MDF, sometimes called draftboard. This stuff is extremely consistent, which makes it amazing for templates, painted projects, layered designs. Just don't expect it to look like real wood. Number 3 is cast acrylic. This is where your projects start to look store quality. Seriously. This is when people start saying, wait, you made that? If you're working with acrylic, always buy cast acrylic, not extruded. Cast gives you better engraving, more consistent cuts, and way less frustration. The easiest way is buying from trusted acrylic suppliers online. It's worth it. Number 2 is anodized aluminum blanks. These are one of the easiest ways to get professional results fast. They're perfect for tags, branding, keychains, business cards. Yes, I've made business cards with these. If you want to try metal, start here. Pre-anodized blanks are made for engraving. They just work. And finally, my number 1 top recommended material for laser beginners is alder wood. If you want your projects to look professional quickly, this is it. It engraves beautifully, it cuts clean, it's reliable. It makes your work look expensive, even when you're still learning. But it's also a little pricey, so don't practice on this. Save it for real projects. If you're still waiting on your laser, you can actually start preparing now. Grab a few of these materials ahead of time. That way, when your machine arrives, you're ready on day 1. I put links in the description to the materials I currently use or used when I first started out. Some are affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. And if this video helped you, I'd love it if you would subscribe. It really does make a difference for small channels. Also, if you want more beginner-friendly laser content like this, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you next time.